Okay. Mike, leave me alone. Hey there, it's Taylor, back again for another episode of Your Guide to Ranking on Google. In this episode, we're going to be discussing a beginner's guide to republishing posts for an SEO boost. As we know, SEO is a long-term game and it can take a while for content to rank, sometimes over 6 months. One way to speed up the process is by updating old posts. If you already have an article ranking on Google, it's already gone through the process of being indexed, so republishing it and following the protocols for on-page SEO can yield quicker results compared to creating a new post. We've had success with this strategy in the past, seeing a 100% increase in traffic for one of our old posts that had been on our blog for a couple of years. We followed on-page SEO protocols, republished the post with the current date, and followed our distribution strategy. The increase we saw isn't just a one-time thing. We've seen an increase of over 300% for another post using the same method. But it's important to keep a few things in mind when republishing. If you have a post that's already ranking on the first page, say between spots 5 to 10, don't worry about changing the URL. If you do, it may break things, especially if you change the original canonical tag. However, if you have a post that's ranking on the second, third, or even fourth page and you want to republish it, it might be a good idea to update the URL slug and redirect the old page to the new one while keeping the original canonical tag. This will help prevent duplicate content. Thanks for joining us for this episode of Your Guide to Ranking on Google. We hope you found our beginner's guide to republishing posts for an SEO boost helpful. In our next episode, we'll be covering the conclusion of our series and providing a summary of all the tips and strategies we've discussed. Be sure to tune in for a review of all the key points you need to know to improve your ranking on Google. See you in the next one.